Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart, and now we'll program a code to swap the values of three variables using a fourth variable. So therefore we will initialize our three variable, that is variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. Now the fourth variable which will be used to swap the values of these three variables, that will be our temporary variable temp. Now we will ask our user to enter the values of the three variable. So enter first variable, and then to run the later part of code from the next line. Now cin operation to store the value inputted by the user in variable 1. Similarly, we will ask the user to enter the value of other two variables and will store them. Enter second variable, store it in variable 2, and third variable will store it in variable 3. Now what we will do is we will use the temporary variable to swap the values in 4 steps. Therefore temp equal to variable 1. We have stored the value of variable 1 in temporary variable. Now variable 1 is equal to variable 2, that is storing variable 2's value in variable 1. Now variable 2 is equal to variable 3, storing the value of variable 3 in variable 2. Now we have variable 3 as blank. So what we will do is we will store the value of temporary variable in variable 3. So writing these 4 steps, we have swapped the values of all the three variables using temporary variable. Now we will just print the values of swapped variable. Therefore cout values of swapped variable and then now cout variable 1 is variable 1, and then to print the later part from the next line. Similarly, we will print the values of variable 2 and variable 3. So we will be variable 2, then here variable 3 and variable 3. Now let's run this code and find the solution. So enter the first variable, so let's say it is 12. Enter the second variable 34. Enter the third variable 45. So now what we have done is swap the values. So variable first have the value of variable 2, variable 2 have the value of variable 3, and variable 3 have the value of variable 1. Thank you.